Indigo Kraft and Champagne has a very rich look. These are indigo papers with champagne foil accents. That's really different. I haven't seen that yet on every sheet. So you're getting that that champagne foil on every single one of these sheets. The pad is 12 inches by 12 inches and it has 24 papers. They're all attached here at the top, and let's just get into them right away. So this dark navy or indigo color is what is striking to me. It's a really rich color, and that champagne foil, I'm having a hard time saying champagne foil all across. It's kind of hard to, there, I think you can, that's sort of the color there. When it's down and when it's really shining on it, it looks silver, which is kind of interesting. It looks like that to me too, but when I pick it up like this, you can really see the gold in there, and it's kind of a pale gold, and that's the champagne foil look. So all the way across this beautiful 12-inch by 12-inch paper, it is pretty heavyweight paper, so it's almost a cardstock, and would be great, that would take great folding, and just a little bit of this would really be striking. And 24 papers, but 12 designs, so you're going to get 2 of each of these sheets. Now let's take a look at oh, by the way, on the back, the gold is not there. You're not getting the gold on the back, so you've actually got that nice dark indigo, and it's a really pretty smooth. It's not quite glossy, but it doesn't have a lot of tooth to it, so if that matters to you, if that's important, then I'll let you know about that. And these are little tiny hearts, champagne foil hearts on there, so beautiful. Then we get this sort of scallop design all the way across. And just because it's all over the place, it's just really shiny. These are gorgeous papers. I don't think I've been into a pad that had foil on every single page. Now here's something that you can cut into individual pieces and use. So you've got a lot of sentiments, a lot of interesting designs. Love, let the world surprise you. You got this. Let me turn it this way. Every day is an adventure. Hello there. Dream big, live bigger, love you. This one says explore. So there are a lot of different choices on here. It's something you could put on scrapbook pages or on cards really easily. You're going to get 2 of those, so I love that you get some sentiments in there. Beautiful all over foiling. This is just knock your socks off shiny. It's so pretty. And what makes it pop so much, I know, is that dark color. That dark indigo is just a perfect base for these champagne foils. These are small little arrows, all little arrows going both ways. That's kind of a trendy look, very cool. And I can see using that on a masculine card, so you can do masculine or feminine with these really easily, and they would be a really just a really elegant look. So just a little bit of it. Now you can use it to mat a photo. You can use it to mat a little greeting of some sort. You have a little greeting label, or you want to stamp a label and then use this to mat it. Just little pieces of this are going to make such a big impact. Another almost completely covered with foil piece all over, beautiful scenery. And this is like confetti. So, you know, I think of New Year's when I think of this too, but really graduation, celebration, something like that. It makes me think of all of those things. Just really something fun and really nice celebrations. These would be great for those. Covered with words. It says, the greatest joy in life is to see those you love happy. That's what it says over and over on here. So that's kind of nice. Neat little background for a scrapbook page. And that's all 24 papers, 12 inches by 12 inches. That's Indigo Kraft and Champagne.